In this video, we'll be going over the basics of cleaning tools. Whether you're starting your own cleaning business or just want to keep your home tidy, knowing the right tools for the job is essential. Let's start with the most common cleaning tools, brooms and dustpans. Brooms come in different sizes and bristle types, depending on the type of cleaning you need to do. Dustpans also come in different sizes and materials such as plastic or metal. Another essential cleaning tool is a mop and bucket. Mops can be made from cotton or microfiber, depending on the type of flooring you have. Buckets should be sturdy and easy to carry. For more detailed cleaning tasks, you'll need sponges and scrubbers. Sponges are great for wiping down surfaces, while scrubbers can tackle tough stains and grime. Lastly, don't forget about cleaning solutions. There are a wide variety of cleaning solutions available, from all-purpose cleaners to specialized sprays for certain surfaces. Research and experiment with different options to find what works best for you.